In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. You can follow these same steps from any Samsung Galaxy phone. Go ahead and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. In General Management settings, tap on Reset. Scroll down, tap on Factory Data Reset. Scroll down, tap on Reset, delete all, tap on, turn on to enable internet connection, tap on delete all. Before that, make sure you have connected your phone with internet. So let's connect our Wi-Fi. And then tapping on delete all. And here you have to verify your Samsung account email address. So tap on send email. And here open the mail, tap on continue with this account. Once you successfully verified, go back. And it may take up to 5 minutes to completely factory reset your device. And now we have to set up our device. So select here your language first of all. I'm selecting English United States. Okay, tap on start. And now for your review, I'm selecting agree to all. Agree. Easy setup with another device. I'm selecting here setup manually. And now you can go ahead and connect here your Wi-Fi. I'm skip this option. Now select here your date and time and tap on next. Accept. Protect your phone. I'm going to selecting here skip. And check all. Agree. Agree. Choose your display mode. I'm selecting light theme. Get recommended apps. I'm just tapping on next. You're all set up. Finish. And that's it. I have successfully factory resetted my device. Thanks for watching.